Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft using Sklauncher. First, you will need to visit the official Sklauncher website to download the application. It is crucial to select the correct version for your operating system, whether it is Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Before downloading, quickly check that your computer meets the basic requirements for running Minecraft, such as having at least 4 GB of RAM and a decent processor. This ensures a smooth experience from the very beginning. Once downloaded, locate the installer file and run it to begin the installation process. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete the setup. After installation, open Sklauncher and navigate to the Profiles section. Here, you will create a new profile, giving it a unique name. Then, select your preferred Minecraft version from the drop-down menu, perhaps 1.20.4, to ensure compatibility with your favorite mods or servers. With your profile configured, it is time to launch Minecraft. Enter your desired username into the provided field within Sklauncher. This name will be visible to others in multiplayer games. Next, simply click the prominent Play button. The launcher will then download any required game files for your chosen version, which might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Soon, the Minecraft main menu will appear, ready for your adventure. Now that you are in the game, the world of Minecraft is yours to explore. You can join a multiplayer server with friends, or embark on a solo journey in a new single-player world. For an even richer experience, consider installing community-made mods or custom texture packs, which can dramatically change the game's look and feel. Remember to adjust your in-game settings, such as graphics and controls, to best suit your playstyle and computer's capabilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.